Why can't we remember being babies? Let's see today. Have you ever wondered why you can remember what you ate yesterday, but you can't remember your first birthday? You can't remember your first step. You can't remember your first words. In fact, most people can't remember anything from the first few years of their lives. But why? After all, you were there. You could see, you could hear, you could feel. So, where did those memories go? The answer is hidden inside your brain. When a baby is born, the brain is still developing. Think of it like a house that is still being built. The foundation is there, but many rooms are still under constructions. During the first few years of lives, the brain goes at an incredible speed. Millions of new connections are formed every second. These connections help baby learn about the world around them. They learn faces, sounds, emotions, and how things work. Babies are constantly collecting information. So, yes, babies do create memories, but creating a memory and keeping it forever are two different things. As the brain continues to grow, many early memories pathways change. Some pathways disappear, others are recognized. Imagine saving important files on a computer and then rebuilding the operating system. The files may still exist somewhere, but finding them becomes much more difficult. Scientists believe this is one reason why your earliest memory become inaccessible. There is another important reason language. Before children learn language, they experience the world differently. Language helps the brain organize memories and create stories about our lives. Once children being speaking and understanding language, memories become easier to store and retrieve. This is why many people's earliest memories begin around the age of 3 or 4. Scientists have a name for this phenomenon, childhood amnesia. And despite the name, it is completely normal. Almost every human experience it. So, if you can't remember being a baby, don't worry. Those experiences help shape who you are today. Your first smile, your first laugh, your first steps, your first words. Even if you cannot remember them now, they still play a role in building your mind. The mystery is not you forget those memories. The real memories is how you growing brain and learn to